Hello friends, welcome to the channel and our thoughts. Today we are going to see the basic sentence starting with I am. The first sentence, I am child, நான் குழந்தை. I am child, நான் குழந்தை. The second sentence, I am book, நான் புத்தகம். I am book, நான் புத்தகம். The next sentence, I am tree, நான் மரம். I am tree, நான் மரம். The next sentence, I am victory, நான் victory. I am victory, நான் victory. Next sentence, I am silent, நான் அமைதி. I am silent, நான் அமைதி. Then next to the 5 sentences that we saw in this video, I am child, I am book, I am tree, I am victory, I am silent. So thank you friends for watching our videos at Our Thoughts. Do please comment below your suggestions and your videos that you want to be updated soon in our updates. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and just comment below your views.